Hi, this is Vizzy Proud 3 channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to check your billing on Discord. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Are you trying to check your billing information on Discord? Whether you want to review your Nitro subscription, see your payment history, verify upcoming charge, or manage your payment method, you've come to the right place. So in this video, I will show you how to uh, check your billing history, your payment history, on your Discord account. So it's very simple. First of course, we have to open our Discord. So here's my Discord account, and you can just go to your user settings. You can select on the gear icon in here. From your user settings, you can just scroll down and you'll find a billing section. And here you can check like your Nitro activation, your server boost, and also subscription, gift inventory, and also billing. Because we want to check the billing, you can select on billing. So here's all your payment methods and also your transaction history. You can see all your transaction history like your Nitro activation or what item you just bought from here on Discord. You can check all the transaction history in here. It's very simple, right? So that is how to check, how to see your billing on your Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.